Hey everybody, Dean and Bernice coming at you. We wanted to take a few minutes and share with you what we are doing this summer. Those of you that know what we're doing, you know we're heading to the East Coast, picking up.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's not always good.
We're driving.
In the middle of summer on the East Coast, humidity.
Oh honey, forget
hot
about
weather.
that part. We're gonna have a good time.
So we will be leaving Oregon in less than 3 weeks, driving North Carolina, picking up a boat that Nautique Boats has donated to us in his wakes. They've actually donated 3 of them in his wakes this summer.
Wow.
We have 3 teams going out. We are the 3rd team. They have already been on the road for a little bit, and
Three.
we will be joining them shortly. We're waiting for Bernice to get done with school. She's works for the school district here. So we'll be heading North Carolina, picking up our boat, meeting up with the other 2 teams, and we will be heading back across the country, heading west. And along the way, what In His Wakes does is we share water sports and the gospel with inner city kids, group homes, foster kids, women's shelters. We just had one of the other 2 groups just had an event with some military veterans.
Yeah.
And so what we do is we show up at the lake with whatever group is there that day, and we teach them how to water ski, wakeboard, kneeboard, just riding a boat. Some have never even been on a boat. Some have never been at the lakes, and so they just get a chance to swim and have a good time. And we share the gospel with them, and that's what In His Wakes does, and that's what we are going to be part of this summer. And we are excited. We can't wait. All right, so follow along with us. We're going to be on Instagram, Bright_Adventures, and our last name is Bright Ba, which is B-R-E-I-T, B-A-C-H. Well, Bright in German, the B-R-E-I-T is broad or wide, and so our adventures, wide open adventures, and so Bright Adventures I thought was appropriate. My son thought of it, Brent. He's Bright Outdoors, and I thought that's a clever little name, and so we're Bright Adventures because we're going to be adventuring across the United States in our motorhome. To bring it close at all, the most important thing we could ask from you guys is prayer for a successful trip. Keep us safe, keep the team safe, keep our RV running and pulling the boat down the road and getting us back here to Oregon. Thank you, and we will be talking to all of you soon. God bless.
Bye.